ShopSabre, we're honored to empower creators. They trust our technology to achieve excellence, delivering precision, quality, and growth for their businesses. Whether it's JR Motorsports revolutionizing the automotive world, Naughty Boys crafting airboats with accuracy, or Lakes Area Cabinetry transforming their cabinet shop's efficiency, ShopSabre stands for reliability. Our machines deliver the durability and precision your projects demand. And our dedicated support team is with you every step, ensuring you maximize your investment. For those wondering if making the investment is worth it, consider this. A ShopSabre CNC isn't just a tool, it's a catalyst for growth, unlocking opportunities to save time, reduce waste, and advance your craft to the level you've always envisioned. Whether you're an automotive innovator, woodworking professional, or a metal fabricator, ShopSabre is the partner you need to shape your future. And if hesitation is holding you back, know that our team is here to answer your questions and make your transition seamless. Don't wait for tomorrow to start building what you believe in today. Contact our team to learn how ShopSabre can make your vision a reality. Because at ShopSabre, we don't just stand for quality, precision, and American-made values. We stand for you.